Get ready to experience luxury like never before. Let's explore the exclusive Inspira rooms at Atelier Playa Mujeres. Hi, I'm Asai, travel agent and owner of Scenic Views Travel. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 Inspira-level room tours at Atelier Playa Mujeres. Let's start off with the benefits you'll receive by staying at an Inspira suite. Upon arrival, you'll receive personalized check-in and check-out with a welcome cocktail and refreshing towels. When available, you'll also have early check-in before noon, and you'll also receive an Inspira bracelet upgrade for preferred status and special staff attention. For your in-suite amenities, you'll receive an upgraded rolling bar with premium whiskey, tequila, vodka, and rum, a bottle of house wine and fruits in the suite upon your arrival, a pillow menu, and an exclusive in-suite scent menu. For your on-site services, you will have access to the Inspira Lounge where you can relax and enjoy snacks, coffee, and top-shelf beverages. You'll have access to the exclusive beach section for Inspira guests only with towel service and a menu of sunscreens and bronzers. And you'll have daytime access to the Inspira rooftop pool, El Cielo Sky Bar, located on the 5th floor. Additionally, you'll have your own oceanfront pool for Inspira guests only with bally beds, bars, and a pool concierge. You'll have Inspira concierge for special requests and assistance, personalized butler service during your stay, a tablet on demand for tech lovers, and digital press and magazines. Some additional services is for stays of 7 nights or longer, you will receive a free dinner at Maria Dolores. For up to 6 nights, you'll receive 50% off. You'll receive 1 free hydrotherapy session at the Noop Spa Playa Mujeres, and you'll also receive 2 rounds of golf at the Playa Mujeres Golf Club with stays of 7 nights or longer. Additionally, you will also receive complimentary access to the Mara Business Lounge located in the Cancun International Airport, Terminals 2, 3, and 4. You'll have unlimited phone calls to the US, Canada, and throughout Mexico. And there are also several additional discounts on site during your stay. So up next, you will be seeing all of the 7 different room tours, and I will be bringing you all Inspira level room categories, including the Junior Suite Swim Out, the Terrace Suite, the Junior Suite Oceanfront, the Corner Suite, the Rooftop Suite, the Business Suite, and the Master Suite Oceanfront. So enjoy! I want to thank you for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing, and take a look at my last video, which is an overview of Atelier Playa Mujeres. See you next time.